I sold my still handheld gas blower and purchased the Ego Power Plus 650 CFM blower. I love the still blower, very dependable and easy start, but I wanted something easier to dry my car after a wash, plus I wanted something quieter. I saw this gutter cleaning attachment and had doubts about how well it would work with the evergreen pines, fir and cedars close to our house. Wow, was I wrong? This thing works great and fast. It took care of everything in the gutters, including the water and mud from our last rainstorm. I love the way all of the pieces screw together and how you can adjust the outlet to aim it as you need. I purchased this gutter cleaning attachment for my Ego LB6500 4-cordless blower. It appears to be well constructed and specifically designed for the Ego blower. There are 4 threaded extension tubes to provide the option of height needed to reach the gutter. The nozzle connection can be rotated to provide the optimum angle for removing the leaves. I believe this attachment will simplify my gutter cleaning task. Before I would have to climb a ladder with the leaf blower and proceed blowing the leaves out of the gutter. This method worked but was a hassle and not the safest way to get the job accomplished. After seeing the demonstration on YouTube, I was convinced this attachment would be perfect for my one-story house. I have not used this attachment yet since it's September here in Ohio and the leaves are just starting to turn, but am ready. For my research, protective clothing and eyewear is a must. Fast forward. It's October 23rd and leaves in the gutter. I just finished cleaning 130 liters of gutter in less than 20 minutes while feet on terra firma. This attachment paid for itself first time out of the box. Click link in description for more reviews.